Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Stephen Gilbert RC here with this monstrosity of a car. I made an FPV car. As you can see, I just taped a drone. Actually, no, I didn't. I ripped the camera out of my drone. I actually bought a different camera to do this with, but this was nicer because it was night vision. So, what do we have here? We have a 600 milliwatt video transmitter with a RunCam Al Plus. It's literally just silicone tape to the bottom. I have a JST it runs off of, and I'm charging the batteries now. But I'm going to do some footage of me talking while I'm driving around. This car is going to be just stealthy, since this has a low light vision, and I'll drive around the neighborhood and we'll see how it looks. I already tested it a little bit already. It doesn't feel too awkward compared to a drone, so let's see how it goes. Oh wow, this is a unique experience. Camera's not extremely shaky. Video cuts out a little bit because the antenna is shaking around. There we go. A little bit of break up there. Car's in between me and the... Let's see, are there cars coming? Yes, there are. That was my first chase. Oh, that was fun. Okay, I'm across the street. This way. Okay, cool. Here we go. I'm gonna go explore. See how far back we can go. This is bank-owned property, so it's kind of whatever. I'm losing it. I don't know how well the DVR is picking it up because, oh no, don't get caught. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My goggles are fogging. It's too hot out here. Way too hot out here. I've got Dominator V1, which is why my goggles are fogging every 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, let's go behind the car. Okay, I'm going pretty far. Yeah, still got it. I haven't driven this car in 2 years. And this is a two-wheel drive buggy, so more likely of getting caught and stuck on things. Ooh, ooh, oops. I'm gonna check my antenna that I know I just hit. See what we're going to go after next. So, remember, height. Ooh, a little dust on the... There's a car coming up beside me. Oh, it's Bill's. Yeah. Well, I understand the line of sight thing for FPV cars, especially if you're near a road. I don't want to make sure I accidentally go out and to hit something. Ooh. Did it again, genius. Yeah, the antenna probably needs to be mounted a little stiffer because it's bouncing around a lot. I don't know, my video signal kind of sucks and bounces around too much from the antenna bouncing, so I definitely need to find a way to make it solid. Or a shorter antenna that doesn't bounce around. What the hell did I just run over? So I can't wait to try this at night. I feel like, so this has a 6,000 mAh LiPo 2 cell in it. I feel like you could run this a very long time. Again, video's crappy because I'm standing behind a car. If I wasn't next to this large metal object, it might be better. Okay. Hot in the sun. So, as you can see, the antenna kind of jingles around a bit. The transmitter is not very hot at all compared to one of the smaller ones. Got a little bit of grass in it. I bet the battery's still good. So, hopefully the DVR footage looks good. If it doesn't, just blame it on the fact that I have a separate DVR, not integrated in these old headsets. So, this is Stephen Gilbert RC. Thank you very much for this maiden voyage, and you guys have a good day.